Python has two main number types. Integers are whole numbers, no decimal point. Floats are numbers with decimals. When you mix them in an operation, Python always returns a float. Python supports all the standard math operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But there are three more you need to know. Modulo, the percent sign, returns the remainder after division. Floor division, double slash, divides and rounds down to the nearest whole number. Exponentiation, double asterisk, raises a number to a power. Augmented assignment combines an operation and assignment in one step. Instead of writing x equals x plus 5, you write x plus equals 5. Same result, less code. This works for all operators: plus equals, minus equals, multiply equals, divide equals, and more. You can convert between number types using built-in functions. Int converts a float or string to an integer. It drops the decimal. It does not round. Float converts an integer to a float. Python also gives you useful built-in math functions. Round or rounds to the nearest integer. ABS returns the absolute value, always positive. POW raises a number to a power, same as double asterisk. And for base conversions, bin gives you binary, OCT gives you octal, hex gives you hexadecimal. Two number types, int and float. Three special operators, modulo, floor division, exponentiation, and augmented assignments to keep things concise. Next chapter, functions. How to define them, call them, pass arguments, and understand where variables live inside them.